Kid to grade 8 Red Rose, Advisor Sir Chipper Mark and Texon. Thank you, sir. Good morning, everybody, to our school head, Rodolfo, and to our GPTA president, Mr. Jimmy Hagunoy, and to our two master teachers, Ma'am Hasmin and Ma'am Carmelia, parents, students, and fellow teachers, again, good morning. So here are the awardees from grade 8 Red Rose. For this quarter, we have produced 2 with honors and then 8 achievers. Certificate of Academic Excellence is hereby awarded to Joshua C. Kapampangan with honors. In grateful recognition of excellence, outstanding academic performance in different curricular disciplines, and showing competency and skills to meet the necessary requirements for the subjects for the second quarter, with an average grade of 91%. Given this 14th day of November 2025 at Silver National High School, Capanas, Northern Samar. Signed by yours truly and then Sir Rodolfo Tinitero, School Head. Joshua Kapampangan will also receive the following Proficiency Award. He is Best in Science, Best in Filipino, Best in Araling Panlipunan, and Best in ESP. Same certificate is awarded to Chen Anika P. Brio with honors. She garnered a total average grade of 90.25%. She will also receive the following Proficiency Award: Best in Mathematics and Best in Mapping. For our achievers, we have Hagunoy Vivian A. With an average grade of 89%. She will also receive Best in English. Same certificate is given to Lawrence C. Haguno with an average grade of 88.25%. Lawrence is also best in English. Same certificate is given to Shamsi P. Broyles, achiever with an average grade of 88%. She will also receive Best in Mapping. Same certificate is given to Aryan G. Macalian, achiever with an average grade of 88%. She will also receive Best in
Proud
ELE.
baby here.
Same certificate is given to Aris T. Lumaan, achiever with an average grade of 87.125%. He will also receive Best in English. Same certificate is given to Yamisi Orgas, achiever with an average grade of 87.25%. Brunoy, achiever with an average grade of 86.125%. Same certificate is given to Jamaica G. R. Otonio, achiever with an average grade of 86.25%. Congratulations, grade 8 Red Rose, always so high for excellence. Thank you.